So last lecture we have seen polynuclear hydrocarbon, that is the phenanthrene. Now for this lecture we are moving to the next part, that is the anthracene, polynuclear hydrocarbon anthracene. Okay, so that is the structure of anthracene. It consists of 3 benzene nucleus which are fused with each other. Okay, so we are getting this type of structure. So numbering can start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it having some different pattern of numbering. So मधला जो पार्ट आहे किंवा मधली जी रिंग आहे त्याला सगळ्यात शेवटी नंबरिंग दिलं जातं. बाकीचे जे साईडचे आहेत त्याला सुरुवातीला नंबरिंग दिलं जातं. सो पहिल्यांदा फर्स्ट रिंग, नंतर थर्ड रिंग आणि त्यानंतर मधल्या रिंगला आहे ते नंबरिंग दिलं जातं. सो इन दिस वे नंबरिंग इज गिवन फॉर दिस anthracene. So again we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 9 and 10. So in this way the numbering is given to the structure of anthracene, or else we can start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So in this way also we can give the numbering. Okay, so that is the numbering and the structure of anthracene. Next part, the resonance. This is the resonating structures of anthracene. So what is resonating structures? So when double bonded compounds are present, or they consist of the pi electrons. These pi electrons are not stable. ते सतत एका कार्बनकडून दुसऱ्या कार्बनकडे मूव्ह होत राहतात. दॅट इज द डिलोकलायझेशन त्याचं होत राहतं. दॅट डिलोकलायझेशन ऑफ दिस पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, दॅट डिलोकलायझेशन इज कॉल्ड ॲज दी रेझोनन्स. सो बेन्झिन असेल किंवा जनरली जे डबल बॉन्डेड कंपाऊंड्स आहेत, मोर दॅन वन डबल बॉन्ड, सो दॅट इज द रेझोनन्स इज प्रेझेंट ऑर द डिलोकलायझेशन इज प्रेझेंट. तुम्ही बघितलं असेल बेन्झिनचं स्ट्रक्चर काढताना आपण असं काढतो किंवा असं काढतो. सो डबल बॉन्ड ह्या दोन कार्बनला आहे, इथे ह्या दोन कार्बनला न काढता ह्या कार्बनला काढलेलं. सो देर इज अ चेंज इन द डबल बॉन्डेड स्ट्रक्चर. आणि आपण फायनल स्ट्रक्चर काय काय काढताना काय करतो, मध्ये सर्कल दाखवतो. दॅट मीन्स द डिलोकलायझेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन टेक्स प्लेस होल दिस कार्बन. सो असा कुठलाही कार्बन नाही की ज्याच्यामध्ये पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेझेंट राहत नाहीत. आत्ता हे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इथं असतात, पुढच्या इथे इथं येतात, परत इथं येतात, परत ह्या पोझिशनला. So continuous there is a moving of electron takes place, and such process is called as the delocalization of pi electron, that is the resonance. Okay, so that is the resonating structures of anthracene. So here you can observe, just go through the structure, then you can observe double bond इथे इथे बरोबर आहे. यामध्ये डबल बॉन्ड हा ह्या पोझिशनला आहे. सो ह्या पोझिशनला आणि ह्या पोझिशनला डबल बॉन्ड आहे, यामध्ये इथे डबल बॉन्ड आहे. सो दॅट इज द चेंज टेक्स प्लेस. दॅट इज द वन रेझोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर. दिस इज वन, दिस इज सेकंड रेझोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर. आता इथं काय झालेलं आहे, इथं डबल बॉन्ड आहे, इथं आहे. सो इथले जे डबल बॉन्ड आहेत ते ह्या ॲडव्या लाईनला मूव्ह झालेले आहेत. ह्या ॲडव्या लाईनला मूव्ह झाले की हे डबल बॉन्ड इकडं मूव्ह होतात, हे इकडं मूव्ह झाले की हे डबल बॉन्ड इकडे मूव्ह होतात. सो दॅट इज द थर्ड रेझोनेटिंग structure. Similarly, this is the fourth resonating structure. So in this way, this anthracene, it gives the 4 resonating structures. So this way the moving of the electrons within this anthracene structure takes place. Okay, so this is about the structure, the numbering and the resonating power of the anthracene. Next, how the synthesis of anthracene takes place. So first method is the Elbe synthesis process. So this method is useful for the synthesis of anthracene. So this method involves the conversion of diaryl ketone. Diaryl, di means don't, aryl means aromatic ring, that is the benzene ring. So diaryl ketone containing methyl or methylene group at carbonyl junction is known as Elbe reaction. Okay, so these are the two aryl group. This is methyl group. This is the ketone group. So that is the example of O-methyl benzophenone. When such structure, that is the O-methyl benzophenone, when is heated at 450 degrees Celsius. So this is the 450 degrees Celsius. So when it is heated at the 450 degrees Celsius, it is converted into the structure or the polynuclear hydrocarbon called as anthracene. So in this way the formation of anthracene takes place. So that is the first method, that is the L-base synthesis, in which diaryl means two aromatic group, methylene, and this is ketone. So diaryl methyl or methylene group with carbonyl junction is heated at 450 degrees Celsius. It gives the product called as the anthracene. So that is the first method of synthesis of anthracene. Second one, like other method, that is the Haworth synthesis method. So in this method, the synthesis of anthracene takes place in the multiple steps. So प्रत्येक तुम्ही Haworth synthesis बघितलं, it consists of AlCl3 reduction reaction, cyclization reaction. So similarly, this method of anthracene synthesis or the Haworth synthesis of anthracene, it also involves the presence of AlCl3 reduction reaction, then cyclization reaction, all these present in such type of anthracene synthesis. The first one, benzene, it reacts with the phthalic anhydride in presence of aluminium chloride. It forms 2-benzoyl benzoic acid. So this is the structure of benzoic acid. So this is the first position, this is the second, ही position आहे, ही second आहे. So second position ला CO आणि benzene आहे, that is the benzoyl आहे. So such compound is called as 2-benzoyl benzoic acid. So benzene, when reacts with the phthalic anhydride, it forms 2-benzoyl benzoic acid. This 2-benzoyl benzoic acid cyclization takes place to form anthracene 9,10 diol. आता आपल्याला ऑक्सिजन रिमूव्ह करायचा आहे. सो रिमूव्हल ऑफ ऑक्सिजन मीन्स reduction reaction. So such reduction reaction takes place in presence of metal with HCl, that is the zinc mercury or HCl, and the removal of double bond takes place. So this structure is formed. It is called as 9,10 dihydroanthracene. Okay, and then hydrogenation takes place to form the anthracene. So double bonds are formed in central ring, and finally we are getting the structure. That structure is called as anthracene, that is the required product. So in this way, Haworth synthesis of anthracene takes place. So benzene, on reaction with phthalic anhydride in presence of aluminium chloride, it forms 2-benzoyl benzoic acid. This 2-benzoyl benzoic acid in presence of sulfuric acid forms anthracene 9,10 diol. So हा 10 पोझिशन आहे, ही 9 पोझिशन आहे. सो दोन्हीकडे 2 ऑक्सिजन आहे. सो 9,10 diol. It undergo reduction reaction, removal of oxygen takes place, and it forms 9,10 dihydroanthracene. And finally, the addition of hydrogen takes place. You can say it may be the hydrogenation reaction to form the anthracene. So in this way, the synthesis of anthracene takes place. Then third method by which the anthracene is formed, that is the Diels-Alder reaction. So this Diels-Alder reaction, naphtha quinone reacts with 1,3 butadiene. Okay, so त्याच्यामध्ये डाइन्स अँड डायनोफाइल्स असे दोन प्रकार असतात. एक डाइन असतो, एक डायनोफाइल. सो तुम्ही जर Diels-Alder रिएक्शन बघितलेली असेल, इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ अ सिंगल डाइन अँड डायनोफाइल. देन द रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, द cyclization takes place with these two dienes and dinophiles to form the cyclic structure. So similarly, in case of anthracene synthesis, the naphthaquinone and 1,3 butadiene, when they come together, the Diels-Alder reaction takes place, and it forms the cyclic product. This cyclic product, on oxidation, the removal of this hydrogen takes place, and to form this one. This on reaction with zinc in presence of HCl, the reduction reaction takes place and it forms the product, that is the anthracene. So in this way Diels-Alder reaction is utilized for the synthesis of anthracene. Okay, so what the reaction takes place? Naphthaquinone and 1,3 butadiene, it reacts to form the cyclic product, which on oxidation removal of this hydrogen takes place. इथे तुम्हाला हायड्रोजन दिसत नाही, so remove झालेले आहे. And finally in presence of zinc HCl, the reduction reaction takes place and it forms the final product, that is the anthracene. So in this way anthracene is synthesized. So Elbaz method is there for the synthesis of anthracene. Second one, Haworth synthesis process is there for the synthesis of anthracene. And third one, Diels-Alder reaction is there for the synthesis of anthracene. So these are the three methods. By these three methods we can synthesize anthracene. Okay, now we are moving to the next part, that is the synthesis. We have already seen. Now reactions of anthracene. So as already I have told, all these polynuclear hydrocarbons, they are generally prone to undergo the electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, similarly this anthracene has the property to undergo the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, similarly this is the structure of anthracene. Okay, so when suppose this carbon having one hydrogen, again this hydrogen removal takes place in the form of H plus. So when removal of hydrogen takes place in the form of H plus, this carbon will get negative charge. आणि जर कार्बनवर निगेटिव्ह चार्ज असेल तर कार्बन काय करणार, कुठून तरी पॉझिटिव्ह स्पेसिस स्वतःकडे ओढायचा प्रयत्न करणार, बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशनचा प्रयत्न करणार. सो ही पॉझिटिव्ह स्पेसिस म्हणजे कोण? These are the electrophiles. So these electrophiles having the positive charge, this carbon having the negative charge. So ते काय करतात, एकमेकांकडे जवळ येऊन बॉन्ड करायचा प्रयत्न करतात, सबस्टिट्यूशन करायचा प्रयत्न करतात. So such reaction is called as the electrophilic substitution reaction. So नॅफ्थलीन मध्ये पण आपण बघितले आहे, फिनॉल्फिन मध्ये सुद्धा आपण बघितलेले आहे how the electrophilic substitution reaction takes place. Similarly here also removal of hydrogen takes place in the form of H plus ions. So carbon will get negative charge. If carbon will get negative charge, another group which having the positive charge, they come interact with this negative charge carbon and to form a product. Okay, so this is the electrophilic substitution reactions of anthracene. So we'll see one by one the reaction. First one, sulfonation. So when we are adding the sulfuric acid, so the sulfonation takes place. So sulfuric acid structure, formula H2SO4. So it forms OH minus HSO3 plus. So this positive charge is there. This positive charge species HSO3, it acts as electrophile, and when it acts as electrophile, this positive charge species interact with this negatively charged carbon. कार्बन वरचा हायड्रोजन निघून जातो, हायड्रोजन निघून गेला की कार्बन वर निगेटिव्ह चार्ज येतो आणि ह्याच्यावर पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज आहे. सो दोघांचं जवळ आल्यानंतर बॉन्डिंग होतं आणि हा ग्रुप तिथं फॉर्म होतो. सच कंपाऊंड इज कॉल्ड ॲज 1 anthracene सल्फोनिक ॲसिड. फक्त लक्षात ठेवा, ज्यावेळी सल्फोनेशन होतं इतर ग्रुपपेक्षा वेगळ्याच नंबरच्या कार्बनला बॉन्ड होतो. मग अशी पण तुम्ही बघितलं असेल लास्ट लेक्चरला. आय विल शो. सल्फोनेशन हे सेकंड पोझिशनला झालं, बाकी सगळे क्लोरो ॲसिटाइल नायट्रो ग्रुप आहे ते 9th पोझिशनला ॲड झालं. हिअर ऑल्सो in case of anthracene also sulfonation takes place at this position. This is the first position, this is the first carbon atom. So compound form is 1 anthracene sulfonic acid. ओके, ह्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा वेगळ्याच कार्बनला तो बाइंड होतो. सो एवढं तुम्ही फक्त लक्षात ठेवा कुठल्या कार्बनला तो बाइंड होतो. This is the first reaction, sulfonation. Second one, chlorine in carbon tetrachloride. So chlorination reaction. So ह्या reaction मध्ये काय होतं, chlorine Cl2i, it dissociates as Cl plus Cl minus. कारण की हा जो Cl plus आहे तो ह्या निगेटिव्ह चार्ज कार्बन जो आहे त्या कार्बनला बाइंड होतो and it forms क्लोरोअँथ्रासिन. सो हा कुठल्या पोझिशनला बाइंड होतो, 9th पोझिशनचा. सल्फोनेशन मध्ये फर्स्ट पोझिशनचं सल्फोनेशन होतं, पण क्लोरिनेशन मध्ये क्लोरिनेशन टेक्स प्लेस ॲट दी 9th पोझिशन. सो इट फॉर्म्स ए प्रोडक्ट कॉल्ड ॲज 9-chloroanthracene. Okay, so that is the 9-chloroanthracene. Then third one, nitration. Nitration takes place in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. So when the nitration takes place, HNO3 is there. This HNO3, it dissociated as NO2 plus and OH minus. So this NO2 plus bind to this negative charge carbon which has left the H plus ion. So when it binds to that position, it forms 9-nitroanthracene. That is the nitration reaction of the anthracene. And final reaction, that is the acylation reaction, acetylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts acetylation reaction you can say, or only the acetylation reaction, that is the electrophilic substitution reaction. So ह्या reaction मध्ये काय होतं, CH3COCl आहे, Cl minus तयार होतं, CH3CO plus तयार होतं. This binds to this carbon which having the negative charge, so it forms a product. That product is called as 9-acetyl anthracene. So in this way the electrophilic substitution reactions of anthracene takes place. Okay. First one, in presence of sulfuric acid, it forms 1-anthracene sulfonic acid because sulfonic acid binds at the first position. दूसरा आहे क्लोरिनेशन. इट मे बी द ब्रोमिनेशन. Br2NCCl4 असेल तर इथं फक्त काय येणार, ब्रोमिन येणार. Cl2 असेल तर इथं Cl असणार. इट फॉर्म्स 9-chloroanthracene. Third reaction, that is the nitration reaction, that is the presence of nitric acid and sulfuric acid. So the nitration reaction takes place, it forms 9-nitroanthracene. And this is the acetylation reaction. So CH3CO, it binds to this position, so it forms 9-acetyl anthracene. So in this way the electrophilic substitution reaction takes place. So these are the reactions of anthracene which is summarized in a single slide. Please go through it. This is chlorination reaction, this is acetylation reaction, this is nitration reaction, this is sulfonation reaction. Okay, so chlorination reaction मध्ये ब्रोमीन असेल किंवा क्लोरीन असेल. At this position binding of the chlorine or bromine takes place. Here acetylation reaction, at the 9th position acetylation, that is the CH3CO bind. This is the nitration, at the 9th position nitro group is attached. This is the sulfonation, at the first position the sulfonation reaction takes place. First position ला जे सल्फर ग्रुप, सल्फोनिक ॲसिड ग्रुप आहे तो बाइंड होतो. सो हे आपण रिएक्शन आता बघितलेले आहेत. त्यानंतरचे रिएक्शन, दिस इज reduction reaction in presence of sodium and ethanol. The reduction reaction takes place. So त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतात, डबल बॉन्ड आहेत ते निघून जातात आणि तिथं हायड्रोजन आहेत ते बाइंड होतात. Such reaction, this reaction is called as the reduction reaction. That is, double bonds are removed and to that double bond the hydrogen is bonded. This is chromium dioxide, that is the chromium oxide, that is the potassium chromate, sorry, it is the oxidizing agent. So in presence of sulfuric acid, it oxidizes. So due to the oxidization, what happens? The CO group or the oxygen addition takes place, so it forms this product 9-oxo anthracene. This is Diels-Alder reaction. So this forms this product when it reacts with the malic anhydride. It is the addition of ethyl chloride with sodium. It forms 9,10 diethyl anthracene. So these are some reactions of the anthracene takes place. Some other reactions of anthracenes are hydroxyanthracene, that is the anthrol formation, that is the anthracene with the hydroxy group, and another one, that is the anthracene carboxylic acid formation. So these are some other reactions, and this is the reaction in which this double bonded anhydride, it reacts with the anthracene and it forms a cyclic compound. Okay, so this, in case of hydroxyanthracene, the anthracene one sulfonic acid, okay, जे 1 sulfonic acid आहे anthracene, if we heated that compound will lead to the formation of 1 hydroxyphenanthine. So we have to heat it in the presence of sodium hydroxide. In presence of sodium hydroxide, we have to heat these compounds. Again, if 2 sulfonic acid is present, we are getting the 2 hydroxyanthracene. So depending upon on which position the sulfonic acid is present, if we heat the compound in presence of sodium hydroxide, that sulfonic acid removes and the hydroxy group binds to that position to form 1 hydroxyanthracene or 2 hydroxyanthracene. So it is depending upon the on which position sulfonic acid is present. Then anthracene carboxylic acid, so when oxalyl chloride, it reacts with the anthracene at 160 degrees Celsius, binding of COCl takes place, that is the anthracene 9-acyl chloride, which on hydrolysis it forms 9-anthronic acid. Okay, so the first step is the reaction of oxalyl chloride with the anthracene. We have to heat at to 160 degrees Celsius, and when we are heating up to 160 degrees Celsius, it forms anthracene 9-acyl chloride, which on hydrolysis केले की हा ब्रेक होतो आणि वॉटर मधला OH ग्रुप हा इथं बाइंड होतो. सो COH मिळतं, उरलेला वॉटर मधला H आणि हा Cl, it is formed in the presence of HCl. Okay, that is the byproduct. So we are getting the 9-anthronic acid. So these are the reactions of formation of anthracene carboxylic acid. Then this reaction, this anhydride when reacts with the anthracene, so what happens? This carbon bind to this position, this carbon bind to this position, and the double bond between them breaks. So you are getting this type of structure. One carbon binds to this carbon bind to this. So in this way, the formation of the another cyclic, cyclic chain आहे ती cyclic chain वाढते. So in this way, the reaction takes place. So this carbon to this one, this carbon to this one. So हा कार्बन एका कार्बनला, हा कार्बन या कार्बनला. So in this way, the binding of this anhydride to the anthracene takes place. Okay, so all these reactions of anthracene, that is summarized. One is reduction reaction, it takes place in presence of sodium and isopentanol to form 9,10 dihydroanthracene. Then oxidation reaction in presence of vanadium pentoxide at 400 degrees Celsius to form anthraquinone. Then halogenation reaction, in the first step 9,10 dichloro is formed, and after that heating it forms the 9-chloroanthracene. Similar nitration, it gives the mixture of two, either 9 nitro derivative or 9,10 dinitro derivative. And this is sulfonation, already we have discussed. It forms two types of product, either first one or at the second one. Okay, if we are using the dilute sulfuric acid. If we are using the concentrated sulfuric acid, the sulfonation present at both this carbon or these two carbons. Okay, so in this way sulfonation reaction is important. It forms different products when they are hitting with the dilute sulfuric acid, and second one if they are hitting with the concentrated sulfuric acid. If we are hitting in the dilute sulfuric acid, what happens? It forms mono-substituted product. If we are using in the concentrated, it forms the di-substituted product. Okay, so we will stop here. It ends the part that is the anthracene, their structure, their synthesis and its reactions.